Hey, hello everyone. I'm going to be showing you how to quickly make a human character head in Blender using nothing but a cube. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is come over here to this tab and add subdivision surface. I'm going to do that twice, and we're going to hit apply. Now we want to grab these three vertices. Go into side view. One's right down here. Enable proportional editing right there. You can also do that using O, the O key. Alright, we're going to move this down, getting kind of a jaw shape. This is all your preference, depending on what type of character you want to make. I'll do that. Oops, we'll go out of that view, and we'll grab these faces back here. These will be the ears. We want to switch pivot point to individual origins, hit E for extrude, pull it out just a little bit, and S for scale. Oh, I need to remove proportional editing. Scale it down just a little bit, and pull it up, get kind of a nice ear shape to it. This is, right now, pretty low poly. From this template that I'll be showing you, you'll be able to make it into a higher topology model. Alright, so we want to grab these front faces through here. This is what we'll be making the nose and forehead with. We want to hit the I key. This will create this thing. You want to pull it in just a little bit, then move them forward. So we're creating this divot area, negative space where the eyes will be, and it'll be adjusting right above here. This is a little unnatural. Grab those edges. If you hit G, this loose grab, you want to hit G again, so it slides it across those faces right up on top. You want to smoothen this out just a little bit, get it kind of a smoother forehead. Like I said, this is all, you can customize this however you want. I'm going to scale in this part of the nose about there. And let's grab up here as well. Scale that in as well. This is a pretty broad nose, so let's scale this in as well. Make kind of a longer nose. You can see the basic head shape emerging, and that is pretty much it. I also like to grab these two faces down here. If I go into the side view again, re-enable proportional editing, grab along the Y, get a little bit more of a pronounced jaw. About there, you kind of get this jawline. If you look in the mirror, you can see your jaw comes right up by the base of your ear, and down through the chin. So that's pretty close. There's you want to adjust this so it's a little smoother. I'm going to disable proportional editing so I can work a little finer. So you could work from this stage and either use this as a base for sculpting, or you can add, again, subdivision surface, and you can kind of see some basic shapes emerging. You can mess with this however you want, but this is a pretty easy, quick way of getting a character head. And you could take these faces down here, extrude them out for the neck, if you wanted to. It's a pretty broad neck. So you might want to extrude that as well. You kind of get the idea. That's a pretty basic way of setting up a human character head. So, yep, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.